Hey loves, hey, this is Catherine Gage, KG Beauty Within, Mary Kay Independent Beauty Consultant, and I just wanted to show you my new vanity that my husband gifted me for my beauty room. Oh my God, it is so beautiful. But I'm gonna be decorating, but I have drawers that are here that I can put makeup in here. I have drawers over on that side, and I also have little small drawers. They have small drawers all the way down, that I'm going to be putting my makeup in. I have another drawer here that would be great for when I'm doing my makeup and I want to put things away. But this is so perfect. I am so thankful for this. This is a dream of mine that I wanted. My husband gifted it to me, and I am so thankful. But this is so gorgeous. I'm in the process of redoing my room with assistance of one of my friends who knows how to decorate. So we're in the process of redecorating everything. But this is so amazing. One more time, I'm just going to give you an overview. That beautiful mirror is 3 mirrors. And those are just some little accents that I have. It has the drawers down here. I know a lot of the YouTubers are using the vanity. Not the IKEA desk, but I actually have a vanity desk. I'm going to scan it just one more time so you all can see. I'm not going to scan this whole office because it is getting revamped. I am so in love with it. It is so gorgeous. I'll be giving you a little bit more as I get my room decorated, okay? Thank you. This is Catherine Gage, KG Beauty Within, Mary Kay Independent Beauty Consultant, and I just wanted to show you my new vanity. It also comes with a stool that I don't think I'm going to use the stools for a sitting in, but I'm going to see how it works if I do my makeup, if I use it as a small table and just do my makeup. But this is beautiful. Excuse all the rest of that. Like I said, I am in the process of revamping, so this is just so gorgeous. I'm so excited. I'm so thankful. My HubbyBabe is the best. Alright, this is Catherine Gage, KG Beauty Within, Mary Kay Independent Beauty Consultant. With a God first, family second, career third. Put all 3 of those things in perspective with everything do fall in place. Bye bye. Hey everyone, this is Catherine Gage, KG Beauty Within, Mary Kay Independent Beauty Consultant, and I am getting ready to revamp the room, so I'm going to let you in on one of my how it's looking right now. I've hired me someone to help me out to get it more of a beauty room. So this is how it's looking right now, and as you can see, I really do need a revamp. So we're gonna do a little bit tonight. Don't know if it's gonna be all the finishing touches tonight, but this is how it looks now, and then I'll be back to show you how the progress later on. Yeah, here's my friend. She's gonna be my decorator. You know, sometimes you gotta hire somebody, and I am okay with that. But anyway, that's my friend, and she's gonna help me get this done. So alright y'all, we're gonna be done in a little bit. Be back. Bye bye.
Mr. Catherine, I got a surprise for you. Come on so you can come see it.
Alright. Y'all, this is the reveal of my office and beauty room.
Surprise!
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at this, y'all. I have a table now that my customers could come and we can do a beauty experience. And look at the decor on the wall. Oh my God, she really caught my vision. She really caught my vision. Oh my God. And there's my founder, Mary Kay Ash, right under I Have a Dream. Oh my God. Oh, and there's my laminator my daughter made, and some of my products. That's where I'm going to put some more product, my vision board. Oh my God, do you see? Look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God. Do you all see my backdrop? And that's my wall. Oh my God. This is so important because that's when Mika's got married. She got some of my flowers, some of the nationals. Oh my God. Do y'all see my vanity room? Oh my God. I am almost in tears, y'all. This is so beautiful. Look at that. This is my award wall here. When I did my Go Give, that was in 2014. I had that. And my KG Beauty Within. Oh my God. And then she got another wall here full of things. And
we have lights.
Oh yeah, I forgot about them. Oh, my vanity lights. I got these at the Dollar Tree, y'all. And just but can you get excited about, my husband gifted this to me, you all. My vanity, he gifted this to me. And do you all see how beautiful that is? Look at that.
Made of glass, yeah.
Glass and mirrors. I'm going to put all my beauty makeup there, and my little vanity chair that I made that I did for myself, and then that's the vanity chair that came with it.
So you can have it set up.
And then we're going to have it set up. That's how, like when the Photoshop, I got a backdrop so when people come I can do pictures, makeovers and pictures. You all, this is wonderful, and I am so happy. I'm going to do a scan one more time of my beauty room. Oh my God. Audrey, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
This is my friend who did it all for me. So if you need her to decorate, and she will help you out.
Sure will.
Thank you so much. I'm just excited about that over there. I kind of gave her my vision and she ran with it. And I am so happy. That's it, y'all. This is Catherine Gage, KG Beauty Within. Mary Kay Independent Beauty Consultant. Remember, God first, family second, career third. Put all three of those things in perspective. Everything do fall in place. And remember to keep dreaming.
Amen.
Bye, y'all.